The top 3 trends for engineering and manufacturing in the UK this year, first and foremost, is early talent. I think there's a real focus across companies of all sizes, across the full sector, with regards to children in schools, colleges, and across academia in general, into universities as well, and bringing that early talent into the manufacturing sector. The second, I would say, is around talent attraction in general. We're still seeing a shortage of skills that goes back pre-pandemic. There was a STEM shortage within the industry prior to the pandemic, and that's been heightened by COVID and a number of other factors as well. So we're still seeing that war for talent, that battle for talent, and a skills shortage, which means talent attraction and EVP is still key for a number of our customers and the wider sector. And then the third would be around retention. I think we're seeing a marked shift in the amount of money that's being invested in regarding to retaining talent in the manufacturing sector. And that might be around hybrid working, that might be around increased packages, that might be around improved facilities, but we're certainly seeing an absolute investment in retaining top talent in the manufacturing companies in